I have started my journey from Coimbatore. The destination is Mookambika. From Sharavanampatti, I have started at 3:30 p.m. and travelled through Sathyamangalam forest, Chamarajanagar, and reached Mysore that night. On the way through Sathyamangalam forest, I could spot some animals. Elephants were more near to the road. I've reached Mangaluru by next day, 5 a.m. We have started to Sringeri at 12 p.m. We reached Sringeri by 4:30 p.m. on the second day. And we resumed our journey to Mookambika the same day.
So let's start from Benari.
From Coimbatore to Mangalapuram, it's 463 kilometers. And I have to reach Mangalapuram the next day since my friend Satishan would join my way from there.
There's only 7 hairpin bends ahead. Of time, and here is the first hairpin bend. Of 27 hairpin bends.
I travelled throughout the night all alone. Travelling is meditation for me. I enjoy doing that. Most of the time, alone. Since big vehicles can't take a hairpin bend through their left lane, they take a bigger curve through right lane. So my option here is to go behind this bigger truck or take our normal left lane. But it's always good to go behind this bigger truck because small vehicles or other vehicles might take our way during this hairpin bends. Always be cautious on hairpin bends when you go through a gut road.
Hey! Oh. It's an accident. I'm sorry.
This is not a killing. This is an accident.
I can't do anything. It's so sad. It's so sad.
What we can do?
So sorry.
We take better care while driving. We protect them. Let's take better care while driving. Let's protect them.
It will come in your first. See, this is what I said. So they will come this side and you have to take this side. It's very normal. Because they can't turn it. It's my time. God. This is timber. Time for me.
And then I met them, the elephants. This time, here this bunch of elephants were all calm, and even the kid was very near to the road, watching people passing by.
They got a fry.
In here, she got afraid and moved near her kid in act of protecting her child. Elephants may get afraid when they are with their kids and they feel that them some dangerous situation.
That's why what to do? ரோடுக்கு சைடுல மரத்துல ஏதாவது தீ பிடிக்கும். சொல்லிக்கலாமா? ஓகே ஓகே. Check post Anna. There was fire 2-3 kilometers before, left side of the road.
Sarvatnapita, Kodachadri, mookambika temple. 4 strangers were waiting there to become my best friends.
Your friend?
There was one thing in common inside all of us.
You can go
A vision to reach mookambika through Ambavanam. The dense forest in the vision between Chithramoola and mookambika temple. None of them whom we inquired had achieved it, but we heard about people who made it.
So you can see zigzag. I just fall down here.
Walking inside the forest for 2 complete days, sleeping in the tents for 1 night in the dense forest, making our way through the thorns, snakes and leeches was like a bad dream lived surprisingly. Food was scarce. We only had some snacks for the first day, and the second day was almost empty. Streams gave us water. Some of us were barefoot to take us along the true nature of Earth.
And if you come through this one, right, then there is also a steep going down. Now we found a walkable forest route.
I wish to bring that lived wish in front of you.
Direction is correct. The map. So we have only the direction. There is no road. This is forest.